Hey everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your monthly reading for the month of December 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Scorpio. So let's see what is coming up for you guys for this month time. I've already pulled out the cards to save time and I have included a lot of oracle cards in this reading, but no charms will be added. So yeah, before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating. You'll leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So, yeah, I'm going to start with the tarot first and let's see what is heading towards the Scorpions in the month of December 2020. And then we're going to, take the oracle cards. Let's start. Queen of Swords, Seven of Wands, Ten of Wands. You are going to be conflicted about a person in your life right now. This person is somebody that you talk. This person is somebody that you have been with. This person is somebody who has been staying on your mind lately. It's like, you are conflicted. Do you have love for them? Nah. Do you have feelings for them? Nah. Then at the same time you feel like, there is something going on. It's more like, a conflict of your mind and your heart is what I'm picking up. You really, you really feel that there is a strong potential in this connection, but at the same time something, there and then stops you from thinking about this person. It's going to be that kind of a month where you are going to have a lot of conflict within you. It's going to be like about a specific someone. This person is somebody that that's like that's going to be on your mind in this month time. They will be talking to you, but I don't think that you will be talking to them. It's going to be more of a one-sided communication that you would be having with this person. Now I feel like the energies could be reversed for some of you, but I feel like there is going to be like this person is going to be talking to you a lot. You are going to be holding yourself back, but it's not going to last long because I feel like this has to end. This has to end. Now how would it end? That's another question, because I feel like you not listening to your heart and listening to your mind is not going to satisfy your heart. If you do the opposite, it's not going to let you do that as well. So the question here would be, what is it that stops you from talking to this person? Is it because of the past blocks that you have with this person, or is it about like you don't want any other other thing in your life that adds to your stress? Is it something else? Is it about this person, their past, or is it about you, your person, yourself, your past? What is it that stops you? That's going to be the question here. If you could heal from anything and everything that makes you stop from this connection, you will be able to have a new beginning with this person as you reach towards the end of the month. But if you fail to do that, I feel like you're gonna feel like as if your life has become chaotic. And it's like it's gonna be something where you're gonna feel like you really want to have your me time. You don't want to deal with anyone at all in your life right now. So that could be the case for some of you as well. So, but yes, I feel like there is a one person. That person is definitely very attractive. Somebody who is who knows their worth. This person is somebody who has basically changed. Maybe the way they used to be, they are they changed them. They are more confident. They are more happy. They are more living in the moment. They are more in enjoying their life as compared to you, because I feel like you are stressing about this person a lot. um I feel like you will be crying. It seems like you really want to pursue this person and connection, but then there is something which stops you, and you that makes you cry, that makes you feel bad. You can't even tell that person what is it, what is that one thing which holds you back. And every time you're going to push this person away, you're going to feel very upset with yourself. If and only if you could communicate your heart out to this person, if and only if you could tell them why is it so that you are unable to accept the relationship the way it is, things will get sorted out. But you are choosing not to do that. You are you are just pushing this person away from you. That's what I'm picking up. Nobody is your enemy here. Nobody is. It's just you doing the things. um I feel like you are holding yourself back from this connection because of another person. That other person is not another woman or another man in your life. It's more of a family thing. There is a responsibility. There is a family thing happening in your life, which is why you are unable to pursue this connection, this person in your life. Your family issue is what I'm picking up is coming in the way for the two of you, and it's getting toxic for you to deal with that. You're crying because you really want to pursue this one person and connection, but then your family is coming in the way for the two of you. Let's take clarifiers for all the cards here. Let's find out what is it going on for you in the month of December. Scorpions, you're gonna feel really sad and upset around the mid of the month time. You might be picking up fight with this person as well. So it's again, if you do that, it's just gonna make you feel worse. That's what I'm picking up. Let's see what is it. You really want to start a new beginning with this one person, a passionate, loving, happy, because you are feeling attracted to this person. You really want to do that. This person is going to be on your mind, but then what happens is I feel like maybe you're gonna have a lot of issues coming with your family during this time. The stress that you would be taking is going to be related to this person because you want to pursue your connection with them and they don't want you to pursue your connection with them. They would like you to stay single than to be with this person. So your family is the major issue here in the month of December. And you would feel like giving up on everything because you would want to have your life. You don't want them to take decisions for you all your life. Maybe they have done that in the past and now you really want to break free from the family restrictions to follow your dream, to follow your love, to follow what you believe in. And it's going to be the tough month for you because you will have to make a decision here, this person or your family. So yeah, let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading for you guys. Intention. Be clear and decisive. Focus on what you really want. Be bold with your request to the universe. Whatever you want, whatever you desire, just go for that. Don't let people tell you what to do and what not. Let's see more cards here. Courage. You are safe. Fear is an illusion. Set strong boundaries. I feel like it's going to be the time where you have to set boundaries. Who can tell you what to do and who cannot. Listen to yourself. Be the courageous one to go for what you believe in. Then we do have engagement. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. I do see that you are going to be pursuing your love life. Like I said, your love is going to win over, the family matter that you are dealing with in your life right now. You might be getting engaged to this person because I feel like, like I said, you really want this me thing. And I feel like, that me thing tells you to go for the person that you love. Honeymoon, enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. I feel like you're going to be spending a lot of time with this one person who is going to be on your mind in the month of December, and you're going to be taking stand for this one person now. And then we do have turn on your heart light. Reflect on a time when you experience love. I feel like this person number 36, maybe you or this person is age 36 or something around those lines. You have been with this person for quite some time. You have spent few years of your life with this person, and now you are feeling that love for this person that you never felt before maybe. And now there is some sort of angelic guidance that you have been feeling for this person, towards this person, is what I'm picking up. You have been thinking about them You have been thinking about the love that they have been, showering you with, and now you're going to accept and let things be the way it is. Like, you are going to be ready to pursue the love that you have for them. Speak the language of love. Loving words have the power to change lives, including your own. Um, Number 35. You might have 1 year age difference between the two of you as well. Because this is number 35 and this is 36. I feel like it's high time that you um if you really want to manifest something with someone during this month, be that the cross watcher, be that you Scorpions, I feel like if you use affirmations, it's going to help you a lot. Speak the language of love, and that's how you will reunite with this person. Just keep telling yourself that this person, whoever it is that you are dealing with, or you yourself, um, are courageous enough to follow your dreams, to follow your passion that you have for this person, and that's gonna be it. Let's see what the color card is going to add to the reading. Rainbow. Connect to spirit and nature. Number one, spending some time in nature is going to be very good for you. It's going to add a lot of rainbows in your life. I feel like the more connected you are to your God, to the source, and to the divine, it's going to bring a lot of new beginnings for you. It's going to help you to get rid of the negative thoughts that you would be having around any area of your life. Gold attract abundance. Number 21. I feel like this person and you are bound to be together. Plus, this person is going to be your ticket of good luck as well. This person is going to be adding a lot of abundance in your life, and I feel like you both together rocking will be rocking in your life, all in the future is what I'm picking up. Because I feel like this connection, this bond that you have with this one specific someone is magical. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this reading. If the reading resonated with you, to like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.